Good morning, students. Now, in the previous video, we have already discussed about the combination and decomposition reaction. In this video, we will discuss about the displacement reactions. Displacement reaction. These are the chemical reaction in which more element takes the place of another element in a compound are called displacement reaction. In such type of reactions, an atom or a group of atoms in a molecule is replaced by the another atom or a group of atoms. Clear? So these are the reaction in which one of the atom is replaced the another atom from the another compound. So the place of an atom is get changed from the compound. So such type of reaction are called displacement reaction. Generally, these reactions are very common in the chemistry, and these reactions occur mostly in the solution form, and a more reactive metal displaces the another less reactive metal from its solution or from its compound. ठीक है? So since these reactions are based upon the reactivity of different metals, so I have written a reactivity series of some metals. These are potassium, sodium, barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, cobalt, then nickel, this is tin, lead, hydrogen, copper, mercury, silver, gold, and platinum. In this reactivity series, the metal which is placed at the top of the series is most reactive metal, and the metal which is placed at the bottom, means the platinum is placed in the bottom of the reactivity series. It means it is least reactive metal, and the potassium is most reactive metal. Clear? After potassium, sodium, then barium, calcium, magnesium, aluminium, zinc, iron, cobalt, and so on. So in this way the reactivity of different elements or atom is decreased. Clear hai? So since the displacement reaction are based upon the reactivity of different matter, that is why I have written this reactivity series for you. So we will discuss this reactivity series in the lesson 3rd also in detail. Clear? So now take some examples of the displacement reaction. The first and the most important example of the displacement reaction, that is the reaction between iron and copper sulfate solution. Clear? If you take the solution of copper sulfate solution अगर आप लेते हैं तो generally it is blue in color में ये blue होता है, and if you dip an iron nail in the copper sulfate solution and leave it for 20 to 25 minutes, after that you will observe that the blue color of the copper sulfate solution become fades and the color of the solution is turns light green. जो ब्लू कलर कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन का कलर ब्लू है, वो आफ्टर 20 और 25 मिनट्स के बाद जब हम उसमें आयरन नेट डालते हैं, आफ्टर 20 and 25 मिनट्स, द ब्लू कलर ऑफ द कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन बिकम फेड्स and the color of the solution become light green. And one more thing, the iron nail is acquire a brownish coating over it, and that is due to the deposition of copper. So in this reaction you can see that the iron displace copper from copper sulfate solution. आयरन ने यहाँ पे क्या किया, कॉपर को कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन CuSO4 कॉपर सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन में कॉपर है. So iron, since it is more reactive than copper, you can see in the reactivity series, this is iron and this is copper. So it means the iron is more reactive than copper, so it can easily displace copper from copper sulfate solution and forms iron sulfate, FeSO4 बनेगा, and due to the formation of FeSO4 the color of the solution become light green and the copper is deposited over the iron. तो कॉपर यहाँ पर डिपॉजिट हो जाती है ओवर आयरन, तो इट मीन द कॉपर बिकम डिस्प्लेस फ्रॉम कॉपर सल्फेट सोल्यूशन। ठीक है, अगर इसी रिएक्शन को हम इस तरह से लें, फॉर एन एग्जांपल इफ़ वी टेक आयरन सल्फेट सोल्यूशन FeSO4 एक्वस और हम उसमें कॉपर डाल दें, तो दिस रिएक्शन विल नॉट टेक प्लेस, ये रिएक्शन नहीं होगी। रीजन इज दैट सिंस लुक एट दिस, कॉपर इज less reactive than iron, copper is less reactive than iron, so the copper cannot displace iron from iron sulfate solution, that is why this reaction will not take place, so there will be no change takes place in the iron sulfate solution. Clear है? Clear? This reaction is very important, so you have to be remember this reaction. Clear? Some more example, we will take some more example. For an example, zinc, which is a metal, when react with copper sulfate solution, this is again blue in color, so zinc is also more reactive than copper, so it will easily displace copper from copper sulfate solution and form zinc sulfate. This is a colorless solution, so blue color जो है वो colorless हो जाएगा and the copper will displace. ठीक है, similarly when magnesium react with copper sulfate solution, so the magnesium is also more reactive than copper, so it will displace copper from copper sulfate solution and forms magnesium sulfate as an aqueous solution. ये सब aqueous solution रहेगा and the copper will be displaced. Similarly when silver nitrate solution, this is silver nitrate solution, react with copper metal, ठीक है, so in this reaction the copper is more reactive than silver. Now look at the reactivity series again. Here is the copper, this is copper and this is silver, so it means the copper is more reactive than silver, so the copper can easily displace silver from silver nitrate solution, so this reaction will take place and the copper will displace silver from silver nitrate solution. ठीक है, क्लियर है? सो सिल्वर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन से कॉपर जो है सिल्वर को डिस्प्लेस कर देगा एंड कॉपर आपका सिल्वर आपकी एक्सट्रैक्ट हो जाएगी एंड कॉपर नाइट्रेट सॉल्यूशन बनेगा विच इज़ जनरली ब्लू इन कलर, ये ब्लू होता है कलर में। क्लियर है? सिमिलरली व्हेन लेड रिएक्ट विथ cupric chloride CuCl2, so the lead is more reactive than copper, lead जो है कॉपर से ज़्यादा रिएक्टिव है, so it will easily displace copper from cupric chloride solution. ये solution है, aqueous solution लेंगे, so it will form lead chloride PbCl2 aqueous solution and the copper will be extract, तो copper यहाँ पर displace हो जाएगी. So in all these reaction the more reactive metal will displace the less reactive metal from its salt solution. So such type of reactions are called displacement reaction. They are also known as single displacement reaction. Clear? Now let us move to the another type of reaction. This is called double displacement reaction. So in these reactions the two compounds reacts to form two other compounds by mutual exchange of atoms or group of atoms are called double displacement reactions. ठीक है? In such type of reaction you can say the reaction in which two different ions or group of atoms in the reactant molecules are displaced by each other. Means two different ions या group of atoms जो हैं reactant molecules में एक दूसरे को डिस्प्लेस कर देते हैं. इट मीन they will takes place the group of atoms or the ions will takes place of another ions or group of atoms. So such type of reaction are called double displacement reaction. ठीक है. So these reactions are also called precipitation reactions, because in such type of reaction one of the product is formed in the form of precipitate, insoluble precipitate. So that is why such type of reaction are also known as precipitation reaction. Now take some examples of the precipitation reaction. You have to take the aqueous solution of barium chloride and aqueous solution of sodium sulfate. You know aqueous solution, the solution in water. These are generally salt. Barium chloride is a salt and sodium sulfate is also a salt. When we dissolve these salts in water, they will form aqueous solution. So when we mix these aqueous solution with each other, generally they are colorless. Both solution are colorless. So when we mix these solution with each other, they form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. It means in this reaction the barium displace sulfate, polyatomic ion है SO4, from sodium sulfate solution, and the sodium displace chlorine from barium chloride solution. So डबल डिस्प्लेसमेंट हो गया है, एक्सचेंज हो गए हैं आयंस या ग्रुप ऑफ एटम्स टू विथ ईच अदर. सो दैट इज वाई दे आर कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. आफ्टर रिएक्शन, जब रिएक्शन होगी तो वन ऑफ द प्रोडक्ट इज फॉर्म इन द फॉर्म ऑफ solid. It means one of the product is formed in the form of precipitate. So यहाँ पर बेरियम सल्फेट एक वाइट कलर प्रेसिपिटेट बनता है which is settled down at the bottom of the test tube, and the another compound या product is remain in the form of aqueous solution. Now balance this equation. You will put 2 here, so it will get balance. Clear है? So these are also known as precipitation reactions. Similarly, when aqueous solution of silver nitrate react with the aqueous solution of sodium chloride, so again the silver will displace chlorine from sodium chloride solution, and the sodium will displace nitrate, polyatomic ion है again, from the silver nitrate solution. So this is also an example of double displacement reaction. And in this reaction AgCl in the form of precipitate PPT, AgCl आपका एज ए precipitate obtain होगा, and the sodium nitrate is formed in the form of aqueous solution. Again take another example. Again silver nitrate solution, aqueous solution of silver nitrate when react with the sodium bromide NaBr. So in this reaction the silver will displace bromine and the sodium will displace nitrate from silver nitrate solution, and AgBr बनेगा which is a yellow color precipitate, and sodium nitrate in the form of aqueous solution. Clear? So such type of reaction are called double displacement reaction, and in these reaction one of the product is formed in the form of precipitate. That is why these are called precipitation reaction. So that's all for today. In the next video we will discuss about some more types of chemical reactions such as oxidation and reduction, and then exothermic and endothermic reaction. Clear? Thank you.